Chelsea Halala from BSH1C, and today we're going to discuss about texture play a role in flavor pairing. So today our objective is we will explore the role of texture in flavor pairing by understanding its definition, its impact on taste perception, and its importance in enhancing overall flavor experiences. This topic will also examine different texture types, their effects on basic tastes, and techniques used to optimize texture in culinary applications. What is texture? Textures refers to the physical properties of food that you perceive through touch both in the mouth and hand. So the physical properties you feel with your mouth and hand is how you feel when you touch the food. Instead of how sweet, sour, salty something is it, texture is about whether it's hard or soft, rough or smooth, and wet and dry. It includes attributes such as smoothness, crunchiness, creaminess, and chewiness. The example of smoothness is yogurt, crunchiness is chip, creaminess in ice cream, and chewiness is gummy bear. Textures is a key component of the overall eating experience, influencing how we perceive flavor. It matters a lot because texture isn't just an afterthought. It actually changes how you feel and enjoy the food and even how it tastes. So, next time you eat, pay attention with that taste in. Understanding texture in food. Texture is detected through the senses of touch and sound when eating. It affects how flavors are released and perceived in the mouth. The way food feels can impact enjoyment and influence food pairing. So, based on my understanding, the texture in food is the way a food feels when you eat it, and then its physical characteristics such as crunchiness, creaminess, chewiness, or smoothness. Textures plays a major role in the overall eating experience and can influence how much we enjoy a particular food.
Good day, sir. So, how texture enhance flavor? Different texture interact with taste perception. For example, creamy textures can enhance sweetness, while crispy textures can contrast with richness. Textures affect how long flavors stay in the mouth. Crunchy food may have a shorter flavor impact, while smooth and thick textures can prolong taste perception. The combination of textures create a more dynamic and satisfying eating experience. So texture is how food influence. Texture is how food feels in our mouth, whether it is smooth, crunchy, or chewy. Like for example, creamy food like ice cream. It feels smooth and often tastes sweeter. Unlike crispy food like chips, have a strong flavor at first but fade quickly. So combination happen when two different textures combine to make food more enjoyable. Like for example, a burger has a soft bread and crunchy lettuce, juicy meat. This mixed textures makes more eating satisfying.
Today, sir, so the importance of texture in flavor pairing. Texture influence the balance of flavor. Balik sabi? Good day, sir. The importance of texture in flavor pairing. Texture influences the balance of flavor, making some ingredients complement each other better. Pairing contrasting texture, example, crunchy plus creamy and creamy can add depth to a dish. Matching texture with flavors can enhance or surface certain taste elements. So, flavor flavor pairing flavor pairing is important because it balances flavor, add it with contrasting texture. Example, crunchy plus creamy and enhances
or surprises flavor when matched with texture.
Good day, sir. Here are the types of texture and their impact on flavor pairing. First, crunchy and crispy. This texture adds contrast and excitement to food. It works well with soft texture to create balance. Example, crispy bacon with soft scrambled eggs. Second, creamy and smooth. It creates a rich and luxurious feel. It pairs well with bold and tangy flavors that cut through the richness. Example, creamy cheesy with tangy fruits. Third, chewy and firm. It makes food more filling and adds depth. This texture works well with sweet or salty flavors. Example, chewy caramel with a salty component. Fourth, airy and light. Feels delicate and enhances fresh, bright flavors. Example, a light mousse with citrus flavor. Here are the example. Crunchy and crispy. Second, creamy and smooth. Third, chewy and firm. Fourth, airy and light.
How textures influence the perception of basic taste. Sweetness. Creamy or thick texture can enhance the perception of sweetness. Example, ice cream tastes sweeter than regular sweet drinks. Even if they have the same amount of sugar, the texture helps to coat the tongue and let us enjoy the sweetness longer. Saltness. Crunchy textures can make saltness more pronounced. Example, make saltness feel stronger when we bite into something crunchy, the salt hit our taste buds more directly. Example, salted chips taste salter than mashed potato with the same amount of salt because the crunch spread the flavor, flavor faster in our mouth. Sourness. Light and air texture can balance the intensity of sour flavor. Example, lemon flavored whipped cream feels less sour and pure lemon juice. The air textures make the sourness gently on the tongue.
So next is bitterness. Thick or chewy textures can help mellow bitterness. Like for an example is a dark chocolate that not smoothly feels better than dry powdered cocoa powder. The creamy textures spreads the bitterness more evenly, making it taste better. So mas lami ang dark chocolate kung nakamelt siya kay ma-feel ni mo ang smooth o kanang di kayo siya pait kaysa sa dry. The next is umami. Umami is a rich and smooth textures, enhance umami's depth and complexity. So, for example, is adobo. The soy sauce, garlic, and slow braised pork or chicken give adobo its deep, savory taste. Then texture enhancement. The tender, juicy meat absorbs the umami-rich sauce, while the slightly crispy fried chicken version adds contrast. And for our conclusion is texture is crucial factor in flavor pairing because it influences how we perceive taste and enjoy food. By understanding different textures and their impact on flavors, chefs and food enthusiasts can create more balanced, exciting, and enjoyable culinary experience. Sir, thank you for listening.